bomb din na yan.
What's happening now?
Wait.
Who's the blob on the... Come back, come back, come back. Someone's capping the castle. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Western Paradise last already. Come to me. Come to me. Keep following me.
This might be cut.
Don't get dismounted, by the way. Be careful. Who's following us? Who's that blob?
Western
That's
Paradise.
big. That big?
Papaya pokpok on ping.
Okay.
It's Western Paradise though, it's mixed.
Okay. Keep going, keep going. How big is Papaya Pokpok?
7.
Ah. Maybe we can friendly fight. Let me see who is that. UKK.
But see, Western have no DA.
Yan,
Hmm.
lost.
I have no dick. Let's go.
What the fuck?
You see
This
you see
guy-
how big they are? We can only fight if they're fighting. We cannot third party if there's no second party and first party, you know? We need to be the third party.
Guys, Gucci, bro. Holy shit.
Yeah. 4.5.
Okay, who's fighting there?
17 is away. With papaya pokpok.
Are they fighting?
Yeah.
Okay, come back.
But they're just holding chokes though.
Okay, what? Okay, wait. They separated the Zerg. Let them fight first. Let me know if they're like not together anymore. Who's the tank on the south? Who are you?
It's me on ping.
Okay. Then Improveda, you're watching the north blob.
Yeah.
Okay, keep talking to me what they're doing, okay? Are they mounted up?
Someone's back
Yes,
side,
papaya pokpok is mounted up going south.
Okay. How big are they? Papaya Pokpok?
5.
5? Okay, dismount here. Make sure to have OC, okay? Make sure to have OC. Oh, let's see if they're gonna fight.
Dismounted. Dismount on ping.
Okay. Hold up. And face northeast. Yo, hold. Hold. Come with me. Walk slowly. Come with me. Keep chasing.
Looks like they're on melee, bro.
Gotcha. Hold now. Okay, come with me. Play more in the north. Come back north. Yeah, quick engage on top of me. Get ready to kite in 5, 4, 3. Cancel. Come back northeast. Occult now. Occult. Defense on the front. Heals. Get heals in the front. Go northeast. Boys, faster. Go northeast. Reset, full reset. Hello, faster, boys. Come back southwest. You're too far.
That direction as well?
Gotcha. Go northeast. East. No, not yet. After we engage you, occult out. Okay? Yo, they're gonna hit, okay? You're already defensives. Keep going southeast. Now look shallow west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west. They come back west. Occult now. Yo, go to the occult. Keep walking. Go to the occult. I'm gonna catch up. It's okay. I'm gonna catch up. Keep walking. Let me cool downs. My DPS. Yo, my Death Knights, try to stop them.
Ready.
Yo, on top of me now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. They come back northeast. Occult again. Yo, don't leave the color too far behind, okay? Reset. Come back northwest. They're gonna look again, okay? They're looking now. They're looking shallow. Now, we're gonna turn southeast shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow now. Delete that. Come back northwest. Come back west now. Come back west. Occult west. Go to the occult. Kite with us. Follow me south now. Go south. Walk south. My Death Knights, try to peel them now.
Ready.
Try to peel them now.
TPS ready.
Hold. Yo, look east. Shallow. Wait. Actually, come back. More. Now, look shallow north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north. Get ready defensives. Now, pull southeast. Occult southeast now. Keep walking southeast. Now, occult now. Come back, 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 come back. Defense in the front, defense in the front, defense at the back, defense at the back, defense at the back. Come back southeast again, come back southeast again. Hug the walls, hug the walls southeast, 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 hug the walls southeast. Keep hugging the wall, keep hugging the wall, keep hugging the wall. Time may mag-cooldowns na, may DPS, time may mag-cooldowns na. Yo, on top of us on the tanks, okay? On top of us on the tanks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of us on the tanks. Then come back southeast, come back southeast again. Come back southeast, come back east, 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 come back east. Keep coming back east, keep coming back east, keep coming back east. Yo, help the back, help the back, help the back. Help the back, help the back. Heals in the back, heals in the back, heals in the back, heals in the back. Focus heals in the back. Do not heal inside of us. Focus heals in the back. Focus heals in the back. Focus heals in the back. Yo, time me mag-cooldowns now. Time me mag-cooldowns now.
Ready,
Come back
ready,
northeast
ready.
again. Come back
Ready,
northeast again.
defense.
Yo, West shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West shallow now. They come back northeast. Come back northeast. Occult northeast. Occult northeast now. Occult northeast. Occult northeast. Get ready defensives. Get ready defensives. Occult northeast. Walk north. Walk north. Walk north. Walk north. Directly north. Directly north. Keep walking north. Keep walking north. Keep walking north. Keep walking north. Puppy boots north. Puppy boots north. Puppy boots north. Puppy boots north. Puppy boots. Puppy boots. Puppy boots. Puppy boots north. 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 Keep walking north. Keep walking north. Keep walking north. Keep walking north. Walk north. Walk north. Walk north. Walk north. Walk north. Walk north. Imposter catch up. Imposter catch up. Imposter catch up. Yo, one of my healers is fucking AFK, bro. What the fuck? Come back north, come back north, come back north, come back north. I only have one healer left. Come back north. Keep fighting north. Did they stop?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Come, west.
I'm having cooldown problem, to be very honest.
No, it's okay, bro. It's okay, that's okay. We're not just, sticking together. Come back southwest, come back southwest, come back southwest. We're gonna face them here.
Oh, yeah.
I know. Yo, everyone come north again, 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 come north again. Occult northeast now, occult northeast, occult northeast, occult northeast, occult northeast.
Fucking bad.
Then-
Oh, okay.
Okay. We're gonna boots in northeast, okay? We're gonna boots in, then mount up. Boots in now, then mount up. Boots in north, mount up. Boots in, mount up. Boots in, mount up. Boots in, mount up. Boots in, mount up. Then go north, go north, go north, go north, go north. Walk north, walk north, walk north, walk north, walk north, walk north. We need to play much more better. But it's okay, it's okay.
Love coming to us.
Yep, I know. Okay, you gotta spread, okay? Now, spread now. Come back southeast, spread. Come back southeast, spread. They're gonna engage on you. I know, no. Bring the enemy to them. Come back southeast, bring the enemy to them. They're gonna fight soon. Come with me. Just try to spread, then you're gonna group on me. Yeah, just try to spread, then regroup on me. Try to spread, then regroup on me. I'm on the ping. I'm still pinging. Try to spread, then regroup on me. Let them force the fight.
There's really good catch.
Oh no, pussy talk died. Let me ask Papaya. Pok for a fight. Yo, wanna FF? Oh no, Delsky died. Oh no, Caper died. 1 by 1. It's okay. We'll regear that. Come back southwest. We regroup southwest.
Only one
Papaya.
caster. What the fuck?
Yup. Come back southwest. Keep zoning, okay? Keep zoning because they're gonna chase you. Papaya. Let me ask Papaya. So hard with only one demon, That's Papaya Pok, by the way. Imposter DC. Give me a sec if Western Paradise. We're just gonna regroup southwest. Get away from the blob, please. That's not us. Get away from the blob. I'm regrouping southwest of the ping. Okay. I'm just checking. I'm just waiting. I'm asking where to fight. Yo,